In today's video, let me show you how to use the PayPal Pay in 4 feature. So if you're trying to make payments in 4 installments using PayPal, in this video, let me show you the steps that you'll need to follow. Now on the checkout page, what you'll need to do is select the PayPal option. And once you select the PayPal option, you'll be directed to a similar screen where you'll have the option called Pay Now or Pay Later. Within Pay Later, you should be able to see the option which says Pay in 4. You can simply select this option and it will do a soft credit check which does not impact any of your credit scores. So make sure you first of all tap on this option and then tap on the continue with Pay in 4 feature. Once this step is completed, you may also need to log into your PayPal account if you haven't already, and the first payment will be due immediately. The 25% of the total payment will be deducted immediately, and rest of the payment will be deducted every 14 days. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to use the PayPal Pay in 4 feature. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.